Hi crafty friends! A friend from HT Duran just sent me the newest release, the manual hot heat press. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. Right out of the box is a user manual. Then we have the heat press itself. It comes with suction cups and screws for easy installation on each leg. A big hot platen which is already installed in the small one. Setup is super easy. Just plug it in, press the power button, and use a digital display to adjust the temperature and time. And that's it, you're all set. Stay tuned for more crafting fun.